All right, guys, so now I'm going to show you how to include an image on your problem analysis statement for the display board. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's some spaces for you to copy and paste an image. So I'm just going to erase that part there, and I'm going to go to an image that I found on Google. I'm going to right click on it and copy the image really quick, and there we go. So now if I look below, it says that I need to write a 2 to 3 sentence caption and to make sure that I include the website that I took the picture from. Okay, so I'm going to, first of all, I forgot to mention that I've already researched this image to make sure that it's coming from a valid source. So for example, like this is not the first time I've clicked on the picture. It's coming from coloradokids.org. So I know a .org website is usually valid. And I also checked some of their evidence and data that they use to make sure that it wasn't fake. So I can see here is the image that I chose, and I am just going to describe how this really relates to my problem and what I'm trying to prove. So the on-time graduation rate, class of 2015, you can see that this is divided up by race. So the top two racial groups that are graduating on time and are not dropping out are white and Asian, whereas at the very bottom we have American Indian, Hispanic, Black, and African American, and so on. So I'm going to write a caption that kind of connects this idea back to my claim about why this is a problem and why we need to do more to fix it. So I'm going to say this graph shows how certain racial groups are finishing high school at higher rates than others. This demonstrates, which is another way to say shows, the importance of schools improving their dropout prevention methods for all students, especially American Indian and American Indian, Hispanic, and Black African American students. Okay, now that's the caption. The last part of the image is to go back to where you got it from. So I'm just going to use the title here up the top, Colorado Children's Campaign. I am going to go and type that. I'm going to first make the font smaller, so 11 or 12. I'm just going to choose 11, and I'm going to italicize it, and I'm going to say image from Colorado Children's Campaign. And that is all that I need. I chose a picture that's easy to read. I chose a picture that's from a recent year, 2015. I've written 2 sentences that explain how it relates to what I'm trying to prove about the problem, and I told everybody where I got this image from. That is all you need to get an A on the image part of the problem analysis display.